guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy PowerPoint. Okay, now what you want to do here is you want to get started off with making your title, and mine is going to be making a PowerPoint. Now we've got our title. We can make a background, put a background on there. But if you want one like on a design like here that just pops up, you can click on that, have that here. I'm just going to make it title. Yep, now I've made this title, I can do this. Because this is a thing. And now I'm going to make a new slide. Now before I do anything, I'm going to make this, I'm going to delete this slide and make it a title only. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to write down, I'm going to write down here a new PowerPoint, or you can make it anything you want, but I'm going to make it so it's in a sort of a curve like that. So I'm going to do that, and now we've got that, I'm going to make this like this. I'm going to move this down. Got to do this, and then I'm going to take this folder, turn it around so it's at 0. Move this over, and I'm going to put new, but I'm going to make this not this size. I'm going to make it about 14. I'm going to make this size 14 here. I'm going to tilt it a slight bit so it's a new, and then I'm going to move this. I'm going to put a new PowerPoint. I'm going to put that like this. So, and then I can move this. So it's this, and all I have to do now is highlight all of this. Highlight all of that. I'm gonna move this over here. Make it a bit bigger. Make this a bit bigger. I'm actually gonna put it to 0. I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna move this. It's already the size I need. I'm gonna put all this together. So, all together, it's a new PowerPoint. if you get it angled right, it's on a PowerPoint, and you can. Let me just move my camera. That's a bit weird. There we go. And it's what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to insert shapes, and I'm going to look for. I'm gonna look for sort of a curved one. So shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes. There we go. An arch. I'm gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna put that there. Make it a bit bigger. To make it about this size here. No, come on, where is it? There it is. I'm gonna put that there. Copy it. Paste it. Move it to the other side. Yeah, that's not gonna work, so I'm gonna go back to insert, go back to shapes, and try and find the other one of these. They don't have another one. Let's just use these. So I can delete this here, this, there we go. Delete. I'm going to take, now, go insert, go back to shapes, and I'm going to go to the other one of these, make it, so I'm going to put it back to here so they're matching, make it that, and bring it up. So now, all I have to do is move this bit forward. Okay, now a slight bit up. So these should be matching, and if they're not, all you need to do now is you can go to design, no, draw, go to draw, go in black, and you can just take a small bit, do a small few dots, and if you want to make that your design, the few dots on the edges. Just have that going all the way around here, so that I can do. Is it just me, or does this look like Krispy Kreme? The Krispy Kreme logo. Please don't copyright me for that. A few dots round here, and we should be good to go now. That should be it. So once we've got all this here, we're going to. Oopsies, sorry for that. So once we've got this done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to animations if you want. Translation. The word I can't say. I'm gonna click on white because that looks cool, and now we have our own little PowerPoint, and let's have a little look at the presentation. So we have this. And that's us done. So that's a quick video on how to how to do PowerPoint. So that's it. Bye.